Hey there, it's Natasha Antonioni here, and I'm with my partner, Holly McCormick. And today, we are taking you on a tour of this incredible smart home in the Cuernavaca neighborhood.
It's gonna blow your mind.
Located in the exemplary Eanes School District and butting up to Lake Austin, this home is on a huge flat acre lot.
Every square inch of this house was curated with the latest technology in mind. With all this tech, this home has the capability of living off the grid in any extreme weather situation.
Not only does this home have two primaries, Sonos speakers throughout, it has a $0 electric bill.
And this home wouldn't be complete without a UV water filtration system.
And why that's important is that your commercial grade steamer is giving you the purest water. Well, we hope you loved this home in the Cuernavaca neighborhood. If you'd like to book a private tour, you can check us out.
It's www.thecouncilregroup.com.
Details below.